Hello everybody, welcome back to
Hobie's Beach Club.
What are we doing today, Hobie?
I don't really know.
Do you know what day it is today?
Easter.
Easter! Hooray! What do we do at Easter?
Find chocolate.
We do find chocolate, don't we? We find chocolate eggs. And who are we waiting for?
Kit and Lexi.
We're waiting for our cousins because it's Easter Sunday and we're going to do an Easter challenge.
Oh look! Here they are. Hello. Hello. Follow me.
So today, do you know what we're going to do?
No.
We're going to do a Easter egg challenge. And you have to go and find different things around the garden. And every time you bring me something back, guess what you're going to get?
Easter egg.
An Easter egg! Chocolate! Woohoo! And then at the end, when you've done it, with all your beautiful nature bits, we're going to decorate an egg! Yay! Okay, so the first thing, you've got to work as a team though. Okay, so you've all got to stay together. The first thing I want you to find is 3, so 1 each, 1, 2, 3 green leaves. They can all be different shapes and different sizes, but you've got to go and find 3 green leaves. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go on then. Give you one because you've all found me 3 beautiful green leaves, okay?
And what's
So-
those got over there? Those chops.
Well, they're for the end. They're your prize when you've decorated your egg.
What are those? They tidying already.
Yeah, they're for the end too when you go and do an Easter egg hunt. So there you go, there's one for you. Do you want to put it in your bucket?
Oh, where's my
Yeah. Daddy's just gone to get your buckets. So the next one, everybody needs a pink petal.
Okay.
Go on then. Another Easter egg. 1 egg. 2 eggs. Oh, put it in there. It's beautiful. Well done. 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
3 eggs. Put them in your bucket.
Ah.
Everybody needs 3 stones. So you need 3 stones, you need 3 stones, you need 3 stones. Go. So the next thing you need to find is a stick each, about this big.
Found the stick about that big.
That was quick! Go on then, you two.
I found it. Okay, fit it in.
That was easy, wasn't it? That was too easy.
Do they do?
Because it was so easy, you get little egg that time.
Yeah.
There you go.
Put it back, put it back.
Right, next challenge, something yellow.
Okay. Something yellow. Got something yellow.
Oh, a dandelion, that's cool. Who likes the dandelions? You know who like these?
Me.
The bumblebees, don't they? The bees, they go bzzz, they like collecting the pollen from dandelions. Oh, what's that you've just pulled off? That's tiny, any bigger than that.
No.
So this one might be a little bit harder,
What is it?
but I can see them where I am sat now. So you need to find a red leaf. A red leaf. Oh, well done, Kit. Where's your box? That's tiny. Just a tiny weeny one.
Oh.
Still chocolate. Last one, you need to find something that's shiny and smooth. Shiny and smooth when you feel it. It's about feeling it. Did everybody have fun collecting their bits?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we're going to decorate our eggs. So all you have to do is put the glue on your card and stick whatever you like onto your fancy Easter egg that you're going to make. Okay? Go on then. Look how beautiful your eggs all look. Look, they're all completely different, aren't they? Yeah. But they all show our spring, don't they? It's all things that we can find at springtime, isn't it? But we're not going to do the next bit.
Yeah, we are.
No, you don't want to do the Easter egg hunt, do you? No. Oh, okay. Go on then. Go and find your eggs. Enjoy their Easter adventure?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did really well and we made some beautiful eggs and now we've got lots of yummy eggs to eat. That's exciting, isn't it? It's got so many. If you want to see more of Hobie's Nature Club videos, please remember to like our videos and subscribe, and remember to
have fun in nature. Bye.
Bye.